It doesn't take much to notice great benefits when you use the AirPhysio device at home or on the road. In 5 minutes or less you'll feel a difference in your breathing. AirPhysio can be part of your COPD treatment due to its ability to help expel excess mucus. Due to the clearance of this mucus, you may find that your lung capacity is increased and breathing improved. If you're ready to pursue a more active lifestyle and improve your health and wellness, try AirPhysio. Click the link in the description for more info.